This is the elevator in the North Tower of the Millennium, Cincinnati, Ohio.
Going up.
3-1. Ooh, restaurant and lounge? Oh wow, this one is restaurant at the room too. These are rockets. Don't. 13th floor. Please don't. These are OTIS. Here are 3-1.
31st floor.
No. L. I love that.
Going down.
Oh wow, the Hilton Atlanta used to have that voice. OTIS. Beautiful elevator. Mirrors everywhere. Hi. Innovation Universal. Here's a hands-free ADA phone. Code compliant phone. A dot matrix indicator in green. These are so fun. Please don't.
You got a little spray in the cables.
Here are L. After this, we'll go up to classic leveling. You must be on the original controller.
Do you want to go through the north tower? Or the
Guess what this one not up peaks.